Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna admit something today. I'm not the best cook. No, baker, yes, but cook, not so much. But what I lack in my cooking ability, I make up for my amazing talent in air frying. I'm like a pro in air frying, and I just got this new appliance that I had to show you because it makes everything that much better and that much easier, and that is the Cosori Iconic. Why? Because this is an iconic appliance. Let me tell you, I love it. I've had it for about a month and it is amazing in so many ways. It takes my air frying to the next level. Now, I can air fry all kinds of things. My favorites are like the crunch wrap. I do toasted ravioli. I even do a cheeseburger egg rolls. So like I said, I can make anything in an air fryer. It's a kind of a healthier way of eating because it gives you that crunch that you expect from deep frying, but we're not deep frying, we're air frying. So this is like the most amazing new appliance I've gotten in a long time. Now, it has a stainless steel structure, a metal interior, and it's PFAS-free ceramic coating. How great is that? So let me go ahead and show you what I love about this air fryer. First of all, how beautiful is it? I can put this on my counter and leave it out and it just looks amazing. It has, like I said, that stainless steel exterior. The metal interior is so easy to clean. Like I said, I've used this nightly, and I'm not kidding about the nightly for a month, and it looks brand new. Normally with other air fryers, it gets all gross in there and you're not able to clean it. Look at that. A month and it looks brand new. That is not what I found on other air fryers. So this one is amazing. Also, let's go ahead and look a little closer at this. Okay, this is a modern appliance. You are not gonna wanna hide away because it is gorgeous. First of all, it has the stainless steel structure with minimal plastic, which I love. Inside, you have PFAS-free ceramic cooking surfaces. Look at that, I've used it for over a month and it still looks brand new. It's so easy, making cleanup so easy, which I love that. It has a very great airflow, so no matter where you put the food in here, it all cooks evenly and fast. I'm surprised how fast it actually works. So I love that. There's plenty of cooking surface for a lot of chicken, fries, whatever you are making. Like I said, I have quite a few recipes that I make in this. Now, like I said, it's beautiful, but let's go up here to the top where the panel is to show all of the features of what it does. Okay, so here are your controls right up top here. This is the on-off button. There's also a start and pause button. You can air fry, roast, bake, dry, proof, or reheat with this appliance. You can raise the temperature or lower it. You can also raise the time or lower it. I can cook chicken tenders really crispy and beautifully in less than 10 minutes, so it does cook quickly as well. I love that this is user-friendly, nothing really complicated, and just really, really great. Okay, so I love the Cosori Iconic. I've showed you guys air fryers in the past, and some are really big and super heavy, and I'm always lugging them out, or they don't clean well, and I'm always trying to scrape things off of it. This one, I love it. It's my favorite air fryer so far. Not only is it lightweight, if I wanted to put it away, but I don't because I leave it out because it's so beautiful. It matches my beautiful kitchen. I also love the ease of cleanup. Like I said, 1 month and it still looks brand new, so I'm not scrubbing this all the time. Very, very easy to clean and very consistent air frying. So no matter where I put the item in the tray, it cooks really fast and really consistent. I love the easy interface up here. Very, very user-friendly. Just works perfect. So my favorite air fryer so far, it's called the Cosori Iconic. I will leave a link in the description below if you want to check it out yourself. Leave me a comment. What did you like about it? Like I said, I like the easy cleanup and the consistent cooking. So leave me a comment, let me know, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.